Can I correct an error on my first tax return after filing? Imagine you just finished your first time filing taxes and realize you made a mistake. Maybe you forgot to include some income or claimed the wrong number of dependents. Don't worry, mistakes happen, especially when you're new to the process. The good news is that you can fix these errors even after you've already sent in your return. The IRS allows you to correct mistakes by submitting an amended tax return using Form 1450. This form is specifically designed for making changes to your original filing. You should file an amended return if you made errors about your filing status, income, deductions, credits, or dependents. For example, if you forgot to report income from a side job or claimed too many dependents, you need to amend your return. But if the IRS caught a simple math mistake or missing from during their processing, they usually correct it for you. You don't need to amend in those cases. To claim a refund from an amended return, you generally have up to 3 years from the date you filed your original return or 2 years from when you paid the tax, whichever is later. To amend, fill out Form 1450, clearly explaining what you are changing. Attach any new or corrected forms or schedules that support your corrections. Then mail it to the IRS Service Center that processed your original return. If your correction results in owing more tax, pay it as soon as possible to avoid interest and penalties. If you are due a refund, the IRS will review your amended return and send you the money. If you filed a state tax return and your federal return changes, you might also need to amend your state return. For first-time filers, especially Latino families, making a mistake on your first tax return is common and fixable. Taking action to correct it ensures you pay the right amount of taxes or get the refund you deserve. If you're unsure about the process or face language barriers, consider reaching out to tax professionals or community organizations that help Latino taxpayers. They can guide you through filling out the amended return correctly and help you avoid common mistakes like estimating income or missing deadlines. Remember, correcting your tax return is your right and helps keep your financial records accurate. The IRS offers tools and instructions in Spanish and other languages to support first-time filers. Filing an amended return is a simple way to fix honest errors and make sure your taxes are correct.